Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and this is a special video for my friend Bev Ward, and she had recommended me and she had mentioned me that butter chicken lasagna is very tasty, and she told me to try it out. So here is a butter chicken lasagna, and thanks to you, Bev. So first of all, you need butter chicken. So how to make butter chicken? Please have a look in the in my description box, where I will share my 2 types of butter chicken. So you can choose whichever you want. And we need this lasagna sheets. So here we go. So this is my butter chicken. I have used butter to fry. So I'm not going to add any white sauce and all. So this goes like this. Spread this. And we can, if you want to add extra cheese, you are most welcome to add your extra cheese. Then we'll add more out of this. Spread this. And I have kept this pieces little bit chunky, but if you want, you can always make mince out of it, or you can also make small pieces out of it. So it's up to you how you want to do this. So it is like you put your layers full of this. And then we put this again one layer on top, and on this I will add my cheese, some grated cheese. If you want to add your white sauce, you can also add your white sauce to this, but I don't want to add because butter chicken itself is a rich dish. So again I repeat, if you want to know how I make butter chicken, please refer in the description box. So now I will bake this in preheated oven for around 20 minutes, and I will cover this. Now even in this, if you want the cheese to get nicely baked, then you keep this open. But if you want, then you can, if you don't want it to get all this crispy and fried, and you can add this on it. Okay, so hope you enjoy this butter chicken lasagna, and in 20 minutes my lasagna will be ready, preheated on 180 degrees to 190 degrees, and for 20 minutes. Thank you. So here it is gone in the oven. So I will bake this for 20 minutes, and the lasagna is ready. So I have covered it with the baking this. Thank you.